Ang dami ko pang kailangang ayusin sa travel namin. Tapos, ako lang magta-travel, guys, on my own, with her. Kasi mauuna kami ng baby, tapos susunod si daddy. Then, hindi nasasama yung stepdaughter ko because of some commitments. Anyway, guys, binili ko yung toys na yan, in preparation nga for our flight going to the Philippines. Kasi pagdating namin dito, summer pa din sa UK. Hello everybody! Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta po kayo? Sana ay okay lang kayo. Wow, tignan nyo naman ang araw, diba? So maganda ang panahon ngayon, pero I think it's going to be windy today. Pero lumabas si haring araw. Ayan. Anyway guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. By the way, today is 2nd of April 2025. Nagre-ready tayo. 9:30 na. May baby playgroup ngayon si Aliyah. So 10 o'clock ang kanyang baby group. So nagre-ready na tayo. Gusto ko siyang painumin muna ng milk as well bago kami lalabas. After sa baby group, punta kami ni Aliyah sa town. Magtitingin-tingin lang ng mga bagay-bagay sa town. Magdala tayo ng mga bote, tsaka milk, tsaka yung kanyang, mahangin, yung kanyang snacks. May bagong snack si Aliyah ngayon eh. It calls Melty Sticks. So, dyan lang po kayo ha. Samahan nyo na kami. Wag na kayong umalis. See ya! Aliyah, I'm here. I'm here. Mommy's here.
His friends with it too.
Hello.
Jesus prayed and told him his father in heaven. They had a plan together to say, "We will be the world."
Good morning, everybody. Today is 3rd of April, 2025. Please say hi to Aliyah, guys. Hello, everyone. Say hi. Wave to the guys. Yes. Meron siyang bagong toys, guys. Binili ko. Ayan, spinner. Ayan. Recommended nila to when going abroad or international flights. Maganda daw tong laruan. Especially if sa airplane, ilalagay mo lang siya dun sa window. Kung window seat ka. Yun. So, binili ko yan kahapon. Gusto naman niya. Ayan. Aliyah, can you do that? Yeah, spin it. Yeah. Look at you. Yes. Can you spin it? Can you show the guys how to spin? Spin your spinner. Come on, darling. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Show the guys how to spin. Good job. Go. Keep going. Good job. Go. Spin it. It's okay. Look. Oh, can you copy mommy? Can you copy mommy? Yeah, spin. Yeah. Show the guys your spinner. Yeah. Come on. This is how you spin it, guys, you say. Yeah. Anyway, guys, binili ko yung toys na yan, in preparation nga for our flight going to the Philippines. And then also, entertainment na rin niya pag nasa high chair siya. So, double purpose, diba? Anyway, good morning. Panibagong vlog. Kahapon, nag-intro ako pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog the whole day, guys. Because Ay, by the way, because, ano bang ginawa namin ni Aliyah? Lumabas kami ni Aliyah, nag-playgroup siya ulit, kahapon. And then, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi medyo na toxic ako. So, ngayon, bibigyan ko na si Aliyah ng breakfast. Okay, I'm making you milk now. Pero dededehin ko muna siya, guys. Gutom na yan. Ay, ner. Milk ka muna. Padededehin ko lang siya, guys. So, nakadress si Aliyah ngayon. She's wearing pink. Say hi. So, ready na kami for the day. Anyway, guys, dyan lang kayo. Hey, Google, launch light on. Anyway, guys, magdedede na muna siya. Tapos, pakainin natin siya mamaya. Yan. So, maaga ulit ako nagising kanina. Sinit, Mommy went for my run. Nag-run ako ulit. Mga 30 minutes lang, guys, every morning. Para lang magising-gising ako, ganun. Tapos, syempre, hopefully, makabawas din ng mga timbang natin. You know. Hindi pa kasi ako pwedeng mag-diet, guys, kasi I am still breastfeeding. And I'm planning to breastfeed baby until hanggang siguro mga 9 months siya or 10 months. Kasi ni Aliyah, you love your breastfeed from mommy, don't you? Ay! Ayan. Top up lang to mostly kasi yung mga formula. No? You don't want any more. Ayan, guys. So, she never finished 4 ounces. Or more than 4 ounces na. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Hi, everybody! I hope you're doing well. Mag-burp ka na. She's wearing a dress, guys. Very spring ang kanyang vibe ngayong araw. I'll show you. Oh, you burp? That was a big burp. Ay, may lipstick ka na sa mukha. So, nakadress siya. Pinagbibili ko siya ng mga outfits niya eh. Oh yeah, as I was saying, agenda ko for today is to call our doctor. Kaso, mukhang dahil, yun, sasabihin ko kung bakit. Kasi nga, I'm asking if may mga vaccines pa siya na kailangang gawin before traveling. Kasi she's 7 months old, 8 months old na this month. And magta-travel kami end of the month. So, sabi nung nakausap ko, late na daw. Which I'm really feeling bad. I left it late na, diba? So, anyway, guys, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi, ang dami namang nagta-travel na mga bata na do they get all the vaccines. Kompleto naman yung vaccine niya. Ang next dose na niya or yung mga vaccines niya is 1 year old na siya. And then, kompleto naman siya. Yung mga kailangan niya by this time. Yun, updated, meaning updated siya. Ayun, ni-research ko nga na baka we need to have extra na vaccine for Aliyah. Yan. Kasi nga, yung oras namin, dapat, hindi naman ako nakapag-decide na umuwi ng Pilipinas for, siguro, in the last week lang ako nakapag-decide. Then, binook na namin agad nung 100% na uuwi ako. Tapos, so, ngayong week, yun yung agenda ko na tawagan yung mga GP namin, yung doctor namin, for her vaccines. So, sabi, hindi na daw nila sila ma-accommodate. Siya ma-accommodate. Kasi nga, late na. Sabi ko, so medyo na-anxiety ako kasi nga, does she need the vaccine? Like yung MMR niya, pag 1-year-old pa siya. So, yun yung medyo iniisip ko na, did I not planned it well? Yun yung problema ko. So guys, pwede ba kayong mag-comment kung if you traveled to the Philippines before and then with your infant and then nag-worry kayo about vaccines, ganun. Kasi, where's my phone? Basta yung MMR is hindi pa niya nakuha eh. Ang MMR niya will be, pag 1-year-old na siya. Pero meron na siya mga Hep B, polio, tetanus, rotavirus, mga ganun. Whooping cough, mga ganun. Kompleto siya. Kompleto si Aliyah. Hopefully, everything will go smoothly. Ganun na lang. Pinagpe-pray na lang natin na maging healthy kami ni baby. Bibili na lang ako ng mga mosquito repellent, mga ganun, diba? Yeah. Ang dami ko pang kailangang ayusin sa travel namin. Tapos, ako lang magta-travel, guys, on my own, with her. Kasi mauuna kami ni baby, tapos susunod si daddy. Then, hindi na sasama yung stepdaughter ko because of some commitment. So, ita-travel ko si Aliyah on my own for 18 hours. Yes, guys, 18 hours traveling with an infant. So, how's that? Solo. Natin, siguro kakayanin naman natin by God's grace and also proper planning. Planuhin natin mabuti. Yun nga, I already failed with the vaccine eh. Kasi dapat 8 to 6 weeks nga before mag-travel. 3 weeks na lang magta-travel na kami. Ayan, medyo nagloloko si Aliyah. Medyo grumpy na siya. So, I'm making her breakfast. Ito. Binigyan ko na pala siya ng guys, ng egg. So far, okay naman. Aliyah loves her food, guys. So, she loves it. Favorite niya, sweet potato. Lahat favorite niya. Broccoli. Luto ko na rin siya ng lugaw. Lugaw na may egg. Gustong gusto niya. She's a foodie. Pero, guys, yung pinapakain niyo sa inyong mga baby, kung meron kayong baby na 7-month-old, baka pwede nyo namang i-comment dyan below. Para naman matuto ako sa inyo. We are going to haul. Na-open ko na tong isa. Akala ko nagre-record. But anyway, we're going to haul. May mga dumating na items for Aliyah Gia. Ayan. Yay! Are you excited? She's excited, guys. So first of in our shopping bag is this 9 to 12 months na panty. Ayan. Kasi, di ba, uuwi kami sa Philippines. And then, mainit summer doon. Ayan. So, binilhan ko siya nung mga pang, ano niya, panty niya. Para kahit na mainit, ayan, ito yung susuot niya. Then, bumili rin ako ng something that goes with it. Yung partner ng mga to. Pag super init, ito. Sleeveless. Na 6, I think this is also 9 to 12 months. Ayan. So, that goes with this. Pink. Ayan. Ayan, meron ng outfit si Aliyah. Ito din, may pink. Another pink color. Ayan. Okay. Another pink. Pink that can go with this one. Gray. Then, meron siyang white. White that can go with this one. And kasi mainit, 'di ba? Summertime pag nandun tayo sa Philippines. Ayan. And then, gray. Then, meron din siyang dalawang dresses. Naka-sale kasi nung nakaraan. Ayan, dress number 1. This is 9 to 12 months. So, pagpunta namin ng Philippines, 8 months na siya. And then, pagbalik namin dito, summer pa din. So, magagamit pa rin niya to when we come back. Yes. Oh, Aliyah, another dress. Here. Oh. Butterfly. This naman is 6 to 9. I think she is 6 to 9. Pero itong binili ko is pag-uwi na lang namin. So, mura lang tong mga to sa H&M. Ayan. And then, lastly, can I have a look, Aliyah? Yeah, this is what mommy wants. Sun hat. Okay, very nice. Oh. Show to the guys. Hat. Sun hat, guys. Ayaw niya. Antok na to, guys. So, nag-haul lang ako. Hey, Google, lunch light off. So, patutulogin ko na to. You say, hello, everybody. Look at my hat. Yeah. Medyo malaki pa siya, pero okay lang yan. Kasi pagdating namin dito, summer pa din sa UK. So, para magamit pa rin niya. Kasi, she'll be 10 months pag uwi namin. Then, summer pa din kasi July, August. So, magagamit pa niya. So, sakto lang yung binili ko na 6 to 12 months. 9 to 12 pala. Yeah. Wow!